Hi everyone, welcome to Project Learn, a Rescale and Spark AR initiative aiming at upscaling tech enthusiasts on emerging AI technology with the help of workshops and hackathons, and building a highly engaged Spark AR community. Through these workshops, you would be taught how to build your AR effects on Spark AR Studio and with features that enhance the experience of Facebook and Instagram users. I'm Anamika, and before we start the workshop, I would like to run you through a small presentation to share the purpose, flow, application, and benefit of being a part of this program. So, as I mentioned, Project 11 aims at helping you kickstart your career in the domain of augmented reality by training you in the technology. The program is divided into three broad stages. In the first stage, we walk you through the Spark AR Studio and teach you how to create your first AR effect from scratch, which involves importing assets, canvas, face tracking, patch editor, and generating test link. In the second phase, we move a step further and teach you about the advanced filters and share with you Spark AR policies before you finally submit your effect. Submission of your effect will get you a meta certification and access to resources that will help you prepare for the hackathon. In the final phase, we host hackathons at your college level and at pan India level. You would be rewarded and recognized for your efforts and contribution. Before we move further, I will quickly introduce Sparkia Studio to you all. Sparkia Studio is a tool used by the global community of creators and brands to create and share AR experiences using Facebook family of apps. And augmented reality is a tool that is used by the creators all across and create experiences that can be seen, heard, and touched in the real world. At the moment, we have over 600 million people using AR on Meta apps. Let's have a quick look on what's happening in the world of AR. So let's. There are four key capabilities where AR is being used currently. To give you a brief insight on how AR is being used, we've all come across those face filters on Instagram where we can add a mask on a face. This is done by using a face tracking capability. IKEA, the popular Swedish chain of home furnishing store, uses AI to help their customer choose the right furniture for their homes through the world tracking capability. Similarly, while QR codes are very normal to scan, we are now able to scan pamphlets and business cards using target tracking. Body and hand tracking, the latest capability introduced, offers utility for fashion and e-commerce brands, allowing users to try an outfit digitally before they click on purchase. So these are a few effects which I'm pretty sure you must have come across while scrolling through your Instagram. Like the first one that you see, the color changes, color of hair changes when you scream or getting a phone call from a celebrity. AR also plays a very impressive role in escalating a gamifying experience by mapping effects with facial expressions, gestures, and head movement. AR has played a very crucial role during the pandemic, bringing the world to your drawing room by emphasizing on the moment, by making the content much more interactive, enjoyable, and memorable. Having said this, what happens to the AR effect that I have created? So the effect that we create, it goes onto the Instagram user page in the stories section and in the reels. And the most amazing part is that your effect is available to the audience worldwide to use and experience. Now, okay, the pertinent question that arises from the whole conversation is that, okay, how does this program help me professionally? People are getting views on my, I'm getting views on my Instagram, people are using my effect, but professionally, how does it help me place me? So there are many ways in which we can use AR to our advantage, and like we can monetize the platform by building interactive AR effects for brands and creators. We can become a AR UX researcher, AR developer, and educator. We can leverage AR in your career by identifying and solving problems, and we can take augmented reality career further into learning VR and XR. With so many advantages, both immediate and long term, I'm pretty sure you're going to make the most of these workshops. We had shared the download link for Sparkia Studio with you in the email. I hope you've downloaded it. In case you haven't, request you to do it before we begin the session. Right now, I would now quickly introduce to you the mentor for today. We have with us Chavi Garg, who's an AR creator for the last 2 years, and she's created some amazing AR effects during her journey. She was in the top 5 Meta Spark AR Brand India Challenge, and today she would be taking you through your first AR effect. And I hope you are able to make the most of it and post your queries into the chat section, and we would be happy to address all of them as we progress. Thank you. Hi, Chavi.
Hi.
Over to you now. Thank you.
Yeah. So I hope you are excited for the today's workshop. We would be talking about a lot of stuff about the augmented reality. Yeah, just a second. Yeah, so I hope you are all very much excited for the today's workshop. We would be talking about a lot of stuff. We would be talking about augmented reality. So you can just comment down your previous experience of augmented reality if you have any, or like anything that you wanted to share with me. So you can just share in the comment box. I would be very happy to look at all of them. Okay. Now, moving with that, we would be talking about Metaspark, right? And like Anamika ma'am gave you a very amazing gist that how it's gonna look like and how it goes, right? Now, with that note, I would be giving you a proper walkthrough of Metaspark Studio. So for now, for that, please open your Metaspark Studio in your laptops or PC so that you can get a proper hands-on experience. And again, it would be really great if you could just make these amazing effects with me, because it's gonna be an amazing learning for you as well at the same time. Okay. So with that note, I have shared the link with you in the comments below. You can have a look into that, and you can just download your Metaspark Studio if you haven't downloaded yet. Via this link, you can just download it, you can have a look into it, and till then I'll be giving you a proper walkthrough. So yeah, let me just quickly share my screen, and let me just start the whole walkthrough of Metaspark Studio. Okay. So yeah, this is my Meta Spark Studio. Okay, that's how it actually looks like, and with that you can see that how amazing it is actually. Right, the studio looks so amazing. Now you can see the whole functionalities. The one thing that you can easily see that there are three options that is coming to you when it comes to what sort of project that you want to make. One is the blank project, second one is the sharing effect, and the third one is the video calling effect. Now, just give me a second. Audio. Yeah, sorry, there was a problem. Yeah. Now, what I was talking about the Metaspark Studio, right? In that case, how it looks like and how we can move further with that. Now you can see the how it actually looks like. There are three projects that are provided. Yeah, blank project, sharing effect, and video calling effect. In that case, you can just choose any of them. You have an effect that is coming into your mind, and it's the best thing that you can make for the sharing thing, like in case of reels post that it can be used, then go for sharing effect. Or if you are making an effect for the video calling feature, then just choose the video calling effect, right? Moving with that, you can just have a look that we have a lot of templates provided by Metaspark Studio. Okay, you can just have a look into any of the templates. So till then, I'll be just opening one of the template and showing you how it actually looks like and giving you a proper walkthrough to them. I hope that you all might have come across this background effect, right? So in that case, you can just clearly see that the background has been changed, and obviously I can do some more iterations, okay, and work on this properly and in a more amazing manner, right? As you can see right now, the background has been changed, right? So I can obviously replace the image that is coming hair. Okay, I can do some iterations, I can just do some coloring, and that's how it can be. So basically it's a very amazing platform where you actually if you are a non-coder, then it's also fine, you can just work on Metaspark Studio. It's not at all compulsory to be a coder. Okay, so if you are amazing into designing, amazing into creating amazing 3D models or anything, Metaspark Studio is all yours. Or if that's not the case, if you are good at creativity, then also the Metaspark Studio is all yours. Okay, as you can see, the background has been changed. Now I would be providing a proper like walkthrough of the platform now. Okay, so for that case I would be just like cutting this one. Let me just as you can just in the same way you can just come across with some more and more effects. Okay, like this one, I'll just simulate touch if it's opening in that way. Okay, yeah, so like there are many, it would be having a different way. Okay, it's a face tracker, so it might be opening in some other way. So you can just come across with like pass the object. Okay, the object is, you can just pass it the way you want to. So again, that there are various templates you can come across with. Now moving with that, let's choose a blank project and let's work on that. Let's get a proper understanding of Meta Spark Studio. Now in that case, let's like as we saw that there was a effect in which the background can be changed, so let's understand how to make an effect like this where you can change the background, or we can understand how we can add some makeup onto our face. So we would be talking about a lot of stuff in this whole workshop. Okay, so I hope you all are ready and excited at the same time for this whole journey of Meta Spark AI. Now in the top left corner you can see we have a scene panel. In the scene panel we have amazing objects that are provided to us, which is device, camera, focal distance, ambient light, direction light, and microphone. Okay, just click on the device and you can see that we have amazing option that is coming onto the right side. So in that case you got an idea that whenever you are clicking any of the object that is provided onto the left side, you would be receiving all the properties of those objects or materials onto the right side. Okay, got it. The second thing which is important to understand is what's there in the top in the bottom left corner. In the bottom left corner you can see that we have an asset panel that is provided to us. In the asset panel you can see that we can import images, text, audio, video, and other stuff from our computer. If not, we actually have are provided by an amazing AI library as well. Just click on this and you can see that there are amazing objects that are provided, amazing like 3D objects, materials, blocks, and so many things. Okay, like if you are into coding, so you will also understand what script packages as well, and you can just have a look into the blocks as well. Let me just add one block and give you an idea that how it works. Okay, just click on view all, and then you would be able to see that there are various blocks that are present. So this is one thing that we all come across with is makeup, right? We all know how makeup works. Let's not talk about makeup, let's talk about this face distortion. Right, face distortion is basically, you might have come across with those like filters in which you have that like childhood face or something like that, right? So everything things like this are actually made with face distortion. Okay, just click on this face distortion and then you will be understanding the whole inputs that are provided in this particular block. Then click on import free. The moment you will click on import free, it would be imported into your effect, right? The when the downloading is done, then just go back to your effect, and then what's next that you have to do, you just have to like hold this particular block and drag it and drop it into your scene panel. Okay, and now you can see that my face has been distorted, my eyes got bigger, and my face is totally changed. And now you can see in this particular camera, right? And now you can see if I'll just move it more, I can just change the scale of my eye as well, I can change the scale of my nose as well. So that's how you can just play around with these blocks and get some more understanding. And to be honest, it's very amazing. Why? So it will give you an idea that how you can just work on some more and more things, and how you can get an how you can make some amazing, cool and funny effect at the same time. So yeah, if you come across with any doubt till now, you can just ask me in the comments below. I would be very happy to take all the doubts. Till now, is there any like till now, is there any sort of doubt or anything you want me to ask, or I should just continue further? Yeah, recording would be there, but yeah, it would be really great if you could just make amazing, like all these amazing effects with me, side by side, because ultimately there is one amazing thing that is waiting for you, is meta certificate. So if you'll follow all the things that I am currently doing, and then I will be sharing one form with you, Google form, and after filling that form you would be receiving your meta certificate. Then obviously, like, why not? Who would be like missing a meta certificate, right? Meta certificate is something that everyone wants, right? So why to miss it? So yeah, I'll just give me a second. Yeah. Okay, again, is there any sort of doubt, anything that you want me to explain again or come across with? Because further, I would be taking you through with some other things. So, yeah, do let me know if there is any doubt. I would be checking up the comments again and again. Now, moving with that case, I would be again sharing my screen and we would be talking further. Okay, just give me a second, and yeah, here we go. Perfect. Now here you can see that we are back to our effect, right? Now you can see that again we can write like, let's just play around with this effect. Let's understand how to play around. You can just change the scale of the nose. It's looking so funny, isn't it? And you can just change the forehead scale. You can see now it's so big, man. Right, so that's how you can just play around with all these inputs that are provided to you in the blog, and you can make some amazing effect, some funny one, obviously a funny effect in it. Now also there's one amazing thing that I would be very happy to explain it to you, is like how to add text in your effect. Okay, now in that case, go to your scene panel, and now when you go to your scene panel, just you can see that there's one plus button that is coming, or you can just right click as well, that's not an issue, but let's click on plus button and then drag. And the moment you will click on canvas, you can see that there is a description that is coming onto the right side of the canvas, right, which is saying a container for laying out 2D objects and making them responsive to the size of the screen. Okay, just click on insert, and then then you can just see that the canvas has been inserted. How you can identify? You can see here, right, like a rectangle box is coming right in the background. Now in that case, let's understand more. Let's like keep your like canvas be clicked. After that, click on plus button again and add a 2D text into it. Right, let's add a 2D text, and now you can see a 2D text has been added. Here you can see a text has been added. Let me just change the view to back. It's more easily visible to me. Let me just keep the text somewhere here, looking nice. And let me just change the text. Let's not keep it as text. And so now, in most of the effects, what we used to see that there is one like one amazing thing which is there, right? What is that? Like in like most of the effects, we see that there's a time and date which is present, right? And most of the time we just used to use those effects and we just love it. So let's understand how to do that. Let me just clear out this box of text, and now you can see that there is no text that is visible onto my screen. What's next that I'm going to do? I'll be just going to my dynamic text that is coming onto the right side in the properties. You can see that here's the dynamic text. On the onto the right side of the dynamic text, you can see that there's an option of insert. Click on insert button, and then you can add a dynamic text. Work. Now click on day of the week. Now you can see that it's coming Friday. if you'll open the same effect some other day, you would be seeing the actual day of the week that is coming instead of Friday. And that's so easy to do. Okay, so I hope you got the idea that how to do that. It's so amazing and it's so easy to do, right? So let me keep it as Friday. Let me just change it the color of Friday, something blue. I like, my favorite color is blue, so let me just go with blue. Right? Perfect. And now moving with that, let me just change the font as well. I'm not liking this font at all. Perfect. And let's, amazing, let's keep it as 60. Perfect. It's looking so amazing. Now, moving with that, what's next that we are going to do? Now we would be understanding how to publish your effect and everything, because again, I want you to get a wholesome understanding. Okay, since this session is a long session, so I really don't want you to like be I really don't want you to just have all the understanding at the same time in a very difficult manner. Okay, so in that case, I would be walking you through the publish how to publish your effect, how to submit your effect, and the other things, so that you can get an understanding. And after that, we would be talking about the advanced capabilities. Okay, now since you got to know, okay, now it's coming Friday, let me just make some changes in the face distortion. My eyes are big, nose is also somehow big. It's in the Z axis. I just don't want it to be more in the Z axis. Perfect. Okay. I'm looking like a cartoon right now, but that's fine. And that's how you are actually making a funny effect, right? Now my face is looking so super funny right now. Super funny. I know that, right? Now I have no idea why I'm just doing it, but again, it's such a funny effect to use, right? So, what's next that we would be talking? I'll be just giving you a walkthrough how to test your effect onto like your onto your mobile phone, right? So onto the left bottom side, you can see that we have three options that are coming. Okay, one is asset library, second one is test on device, third one is publish. Okay, now in the asset library, I just told you what's in the asset library, right? Click on test on device, and then it will ask you to add experience. If you haven't, if you have chosen blank project, then obviously in that case it will ask for the add experience. Just click on to the add experience, and then click again to the add experience, and then click on insert, and it's done, right? You have added the experience of the sharing effect. What's next that we are going to do? We would be sending this particular whole effect preview onto our Instagram. If your Instagram is Facebook and Facebook are linked, then it's fine, then you would be receiving the Instagram option. If you are not receiving, it means your Facebook and your Instagram accounts are not linked, but that's totally fine. You can obviously get a notification on your Facebook account as well, so don't worry about it. Okay, but my face is looking super funny right now. I know that. And now you can see that we have sent a notification onto your Instagram, or you can also scan this particular. So if you all are seeing it, you can just scan it, or let me just copy this particular link. Click on copy, and let me just share it with you all. Okay, in the here, in here, yeah. You all can obviously just have a look. You can obviously test this particular effect as well onto your face, and just tell me on the comments below that how amazing it is. How to resize metaspa? Okay, so how you want to resize? I didn't get it. That how you actually want to resize? Do let me know. I didn't get it. How to resize? Like for example, you just want to resize one or the other material that you have added or anything else. Just do confirm me properly, and then I would be very happy to answer it. Okay, and till then, till then you are just trying out amazing effect onto your face. I would be just dropping my LinkedIn in the comments below. You can just have a look into my LinkedIn as well. I would be very happy to connect with you all over the LinkedIn, because obviously why not, right? So Here is my LinkedIn. Okay, which part do you want me to repeat? I would be just repeating the whole stuff again. This is my LinkedIn. Where did you get that face distortion option? Okay, I'll just repeat it. Perfect. Nikita, can you please tell me which sort of thing that you want me to repeat again? Okay, till then Nikita is writing her particular doubt. Let me just resolve one of the doubts. Okay, till then you can just like connect with me on LinkedIn. I would be very happy. Okay, and if you come up across with any sort of doubt, you can just DM me anytime. I would be very happy to take all of your doubts. Okay, now moving with that, I would be just giving you a walk through how I did this face distortion thing, which looks super amazing and super funny at the same time. Let me just remove it first. Yes, I want to delete it. Now you can see my face is coming now. That's nice. Now let's click on asset library. The moment, okay, let me just go some so slow. Okay, in the asset panel, which is coming on the left bottom side, you can see that there are two options that are coming. One is import from computer, second one is search asset library. Okay, click on asset library. Okay, if you are not getting this option, you can just find this option onto the right bottom, just right bottom side, asset library. Okay, it's a folder icon. Click onto the asset library, then you can see that's how the asset library looks like. Now what's next that you have to do? Click on blocks. Okay, click on blocks. After that, scroll down and then click on view all. Just view all the blocks that are present. You can choose any of the block. You just have to drag and drop that particular block into the scene panel. That's it. You can check out these blocks. These are super amazing. What I did, I just chose and chose one block of the name face distortion. You can see here that there's a block that is of the name of face distortion. Click onto this block and now you can see all the inputs of the description of that face block, okay, of that particular block. Now what's next that we are going to do? We would be clicking on import free. Okay, you can see that there's one option that is coming. Click on import free. It's showing downloaded, and since the downloading has gone, it means that it is downloaded. Okay, now what we would be doing, you can see that face distortion block has been added right into my asset panel. Okay, now what I would be doing, I would be just clicking onto this face distortion block and dragging it and dropping it into the scene panel. What I did, dragging it and dropping it into the scene panel, right? Got it? And now that's how you can just play around. You can see my eyes are again big and my face is again looking so funny. So you can just have a look, you can play around with that, you can just do this squash. You can be like this as well, which is super funny at the same time. Okay, like you can see the difference, right? I hope your doubt has been resolved. Do let me know if your doubt has been resolved. Okay, I'll repeat the text part. What's next? To share it on Insta, FB. Okay, thank you. I got it. Thank you. Chalo. Let me just give you a walkthrough of the next stuff that I just explained it to you. Okay. Now you can see that my face is coming so super funny. Okay. Now let's understand the next functionality, which is of the text. Let me just remove this text again. Now what you have to do, let's just skip the canvas wala part. Go to your scene panel, click on the plus button and then just click on 2D text. Go to your scene panel, then go to plus button, click on plus button and then click on 2D text and then click on insert. Now you can see a text has been inserted into your scene panel. Where it has been inserted into the scene panel. Perfect. Now what we would be doing, we would be dragging this particular text and we would be dropping this text somewhere here. Okay, you can see that my face looks like this, but now my face is looking like super funny, right? Okay, what's next that we are going to do. Right now we would be just changing the text. I can just write it up funny, me, anything that you want to, but let me add a dynamic text to it, right? So in that case, you can see that there's one option that is coming, which is saying insert. Click on insert, that is coming onto the right side of the dynamic text, and then choose day of the week. It's totally up to you what sort of text that you want to choose. I chose day of the week, and just resize it. Perfect. Let's change the font to 60. I just wanted to look come up properly. Let's change the font. You can just check out the functionalities, that's totally fine. There are amazing properties. Let's change the color as well. Nice. Perfect. Now you got the whole point, right? How to change up the stuff and how to do it, right? Again, I'm looking super funny, but that's fine. And now I hope you got the whole gist. And now I would be taking you through that how to test your effect onto the device. That was a question that was again asked. So for that, onto the left bottom side, you can see that we have three options that are coming, right? So you can just see, click on test on device, and then send that particular test on device link onto the Instagram or Facebook, what sort of account that is linked. Okay, like if your Instagram and Facebook accounts are linked together, then only you would be receiving this Instagram option, or if not, then you only be receiving that Facebook option. Click onto the send button. The moment you will click onto the send button, I'll just quickly show you what's next that's gonna happen. Let me just open my account. mm, Perfect. And now you can see this is my account. Okay, so this is my Insta account, right? So what's actually coming, let's understand this. Yeah, so since this is my Instagram account, so you can see, go I just got clicked on through the notification. I gonna got this notification, try preview. Okay, try preview dot ar export by chavi gg. This is my Instagram handle, it's chavi gg everywhere on all platforms. So that's how it's showing. So I'll be just clicking onto this notification, and now it will say continue. And now I can just test my effect onto my face and how it's looking. Okay, so I hope you got the whole idea that how to test the device, how to test your effect and everything. Now I would be dropping one thing into the chat box. Just give me a second. So yeah, this is the submission form. It's the most important form that you need to have it in anyhow, because by this only you would be receiving your meta certificate. This form is very much necessary to get filled. And also there's one form that I personally want you all to fill. Okay, um yeah, this one is the feedback form. So if you like my workshop, like obviously we are moving with some other capabilities as well, but yeah, if you like my workshop, if you think that I taught you everything in a very nice manner, you can just fill up this feedback form and I would be very happy. Okay, and yeah, apart from that, this is the submission form. Again, this is the most important form that you need to be that you need to fill, but not now. I'll explain you how to fill this form. Not everyone can just easily fill this form. Okay, so to fill this form, I'll be guiding you how to fill this form. The next step is to publish the effect, and after that we would be talking about how to publish, how to fill this particular form, which is very much important. Okay, now moving with that, perfect. Let me just open this form. Okay, side by side, so that we can get a proper understanding of everything. And perfect, now you can see. Perfect. So keep this form open in your browser. Okay, now I would be talking about how to publish your effect, and then we would be talking about it. Now you can see again my funny face is there. Now we would be talking about how to publish your effect. Now to publish your effect, you can see onto the right bottom side there's a publish button that is coming into the blue button. Click on this particular button, and now it will ask you to make a demo video. Just create a demo video. Okay, it's a nice one. The demo video has been done. Click on save. After clicking on save, what's next that you need to do? You just need to click on upload button. The moment you will click on upload button, um, it will be uploaded onto the Meta Spark Hub, where you can just check out all the amazing insights, what are things that are actually going on with your effect and everything. It will just take few more seconds to get uploaded onto the Meta Spark Hub. Till then, you can just wait and just think that how it's gonna look like onto your face, right? Okay, so after this uploading will be completed, browser would be open. Okay, the Meta Spark hub will be open automatically. Okay, if you haven't logged in yet, just do the login part, do the initial part, and then after that you would be heading over to like some things like what sort of name that you want to put for your effect and a lot of things. Okay, so let's just wait for a few more seconds till then it get uploaded. Till now, do let me know in the comments below that how many of you are actually working on this particular effect with me, and how it actually feels, okay, to make an effect of your own. Okay, so you can just share your views with me, okay, over the comments below, and I would be very happy to take all of your views, right? Just do let me know if you have any sort of doubt or anything. um it will just take few more seconds. Let me just open my Meta Spark Hub. Till then, yeah, I'll just give you a walkthrough to it as well. Till then, that's how the Meta Spark Hub looks like. You just need to search Meta Spark Hub on Google. After that, click on the first link that is coming. After that, click on get started, right? Then that's how the Metaspark hub will be opened. You can just check out the insights of your lifetime, and now you can see that I have like 1.7 million plus opens and 1.2 million plus impressions, which is a huge number. Okay, and the captures are again 128K, which is so super amazing. You can see that what sort of insight that I have been receiving on some different effects. This is my favorite effect because it's gonna reach almost 1 million super soon. So yeah, that's how it looks like, and that's amazing actually, right? You can just check out the effects. You can see their activities, how is it going. You can just check out the insights of all your effects as well. You click on any, and then you would be heading over to this, that okay, visibility, what are the insights, in which country it is currently working amazingly. Okay, so you can just have a look into it, and that's how it's gonna look like. I guess there is some issue. Let me just upload it. Let me just upload it once again. Let's just wait for a few more seconds, till then it will get uploaded. Okay, and I hope it might be done for your side. So what's next that you need to do? You just need to put your effect name. After putting your effect name, what's next that you need to put is actually about if you want to choose, you can choose any of the category. Okay, perfect, it's now open. So I'll just name it as funny face. After that, scroll down. You can just uncheck this Instagram button, okay, if it will ask you to. After that, choose any of the category, then click on submit button. That's all that you need to do. The moment you will click onto the submit button, that's a congratulations part, because now you have successfully submitted your first ever Meta Spark effect. Okay, till then it's happening. Just try out and do let me know if you have any doubt. Yeah, I've got to the part where I've sent the notification and now I have to publish. Yeah, you need to publish. It's not been published. Can you please repeat it? Okay, let me just repeat the steps again. You can just see that there's one publish button, right? Or you can see the publish button which is coming onto the left bottom side as well. Click onto this publish button, and after clicking on publish button, you just need to record a video. Record a video. After recording a video, what's next that you need to do? Click on save. After clicking on save, now you can see that everything is working perfectly, and then click on upload. The moment you will click on upload, you would be heading over to something. Okay, that I just fill the information, like just effect name and then choose one of the categories. That's it that you need to do, and then click on submit button. After clicking on submit button, you would be heading over to this, and now that's how you can see that you have successfully submitted your effect. Now what's next that you would be doing? Click on done button, and after we would be talking how to fill that form. Okay, to fill that form, let me just open it, and now you can see you just need to fill up the basic details. Let's just fill up all our basic details. Contact number, I don't actually reveal my number. College, it's saying for you all it's BMS. And for the Facebook profile, I'll be just giving you an idea how to get the Facebook profile. Go to facebook.com. The moment you'll be heading over to facebook.com, you just need to click onto your profile, and then copy the URL, the hyperlink which is coming onto the top. Copy this particular link and paste it over here. Okay, I hope you got it. After that, you would be asking to put effect URL, effect ID, and effect owner ID. Now these are the most important things that you need to take care of. So head over to your effect again, click on share button. The moment you will click onto the share button, you can see that there's one share button which is coming, right? Click onto the share button and click onto the link of your effect. Now it is saying copy to the clipboard. Now paste that particular URL here. Okay, same for the others as well. Click onto this three dots which are coming here. Okay, click onto this three dots, copy effect ID, paste effect ID. Again, copy owner ID and paste owner ID. Perfect. And now that's all. That's how you just need to fill up all the details and click on submit button, and your form has been submitted, and now you are eligible for your meta certificate. And I am sure that it feels so super easy, but at the same time it's so amazing to get start your journey with like a new technology, to get a proper understanding, which is like super crazy. So do let me know that have you filled the form or not with me. If you are facing any sort of doubt or anything, you can just let me know. I am just showing you. So this was the form. You just need to click onto this form, and after heading over to this form, you just need to put your basic details, and it's done. Do let me know in the comments below if you are facing any sort of issue. Okay, amazing. We submit the form after this session, right, ma'am, or right now? It would be really great if you could just submit the form right now, okay, so that I can also get an understanding that if you are facing anything, facing issue or not, so that we can understand and we can just discuss the doubts. So it would be great if you could just submit up the form right away with me. Is there any doubt, anything that you want me to like repeat, or anything you want me to tell you more about augmented reality, the career aspect, or anything? You can just let me know once so that can do I can help you. Submission form, okay, I'll repeat the submission form. Okay, why? Okay, so there's one option. Okay, I'll just give you an idea how to work through that. Give me just 1 second. Let me just open up Metaspark again. Thanks, Prijwal. Yeah, you can create new as well. That's not actually an issue. Let me just quickly share my screen and show you. So yeah, this was how you can just do this stuff, and also you would be heading over to this particular form. Okay, now let me just give you a glance. So first of all, fill your basic details, and after that it will ask for your Facebook profile URL, effect URL, and also the other stuff. Okay, so let me just quickly give you a walkthrough how to fill all those important details. Okay, so if you are facing that issue that your face is not visible, or like for example anything like that, in that case what you can do, you can just record a demo video. Okay, I just told you how to test, how to just share that particular test link onto your mobile. Just record a demo video, download that demo video, and after downloading that demo video, just like upload that demo video. Okay, if you just like without clicking, just without recording the video, you can click on a publish button, but submitting a demo video is a must. So that's how you need to keep, this is the thing that you need to keep in your mind. So I was talking about yeah, so this is the thing. Okay, let's talk about the Facebook profile URL. Just go to facebook.com, and after going to facebook.com you would be heading over to this. Okay, now what's next you would be doing, click onto your profile, and copy this URL which is coming onto the top, the hyperlink, and copy this particular link and paste it into the form. After doing so, it is asking for your uh, effect URL. Click onto the share button, and after clicking onto the share button, click on this particular link. Okay, the moment you will click onto this particular link, you can just paste this link over here. Okay, perfect. Now what's next that we need to do? You just need to go to these three dots which is coming onto the right side. Okay, into your Metaspark hub, click onto these three dots, and after clicking onto these three dots, copy effect id and paste effect id. Again, copy owner id and paste owner id. So that's how you can just fill up the form and click on submit button the moment your form has been filled. Ma'am, how to share it on Insta? You can see that there is one option which is coming, test on device, right? You can submit your effect via that. Again, it's very much easy to do, so you can just do these steps to get a proper understanding. Do let me know if you are coming across with anything or any doubt is there. Do let me know, I'll just have a look into it. Okay, let me just quickly share my screen again. You can see it here. um, that's how your Metaspark studio will look like. And what's next that you need to do, on the left bottom corner you can see that there's an option that is coming, test on device. Click on test on device, and if your Instagram is linked to your Facebook, then only you will be receiving one option of Instagram. If not, then just like send that particular test link onto your Facebook. So that's how you can do these steps. The submission link would be active till tomorrow midnight. Do let me know if you have any doubt or anything you want me to repeat again. I would be very happy to repeat everything again. There is an option hide and infect. Yeah, you can hide. You can do that as well. That's not an issue. Shouldn't we put our college name in the submission link? Yeah, obviously you need to put your college name. I just that's why you just need to put your college name. That's not an issue. Should I take or untick it? So like it's totally up to you if you want to keep your effect okay on your Instagram profile. That's fine. If not, that also fine. You can just choose accordingly. That totally works. Perfect. Do let me know if you have any doubt or you want me to repeat anything again. I would be very happy to repeat the stuff again for you. Just do let me know once. Yeah. Can you show how to get the effect you are? Yeah, I'll just quickly share my screen. You can get an idea about it. Perfect. So you would be heading over to your effect like this, right? So in that case, what you would be doing, click on this share button, right, which is coming, right? Click on the share button and then you can see share link. Click onto the link which is coming and it's actually showing that click to copy URL to clipboard. Click on this URL and paste this URL over here. So that's how you can do this. Do let me know if you have any sort of other doubts. I would be very happy to take them all again. Okay, I'll just perfect. So I hope you all got the essence and everything. Perfect. Thanks a lot, Ankit, for like giving an idea that you have uploaded. That's really great to hear that. Again, if you have any doubt, you can just ask me right away, and I would be very happy to take them all. And yeah, and that's how you can obviously try some more amazing effects. You can just try out Metaspark Studio, okay, how it works and everything. And you can also participate in various hackathons which are going on. Like right now, there's one hackathon which is going on named as Open Innovation. So in that sense, there are various hackathons which are going on. So you can have a look into it and participate in it, and surely you might win someday, right? So yeah, I hope that's all for today's session. It was really really great having you all, and I really loved uh, as well. So thanks a lot everyone, and see you soon in some any other session super soon in future. Thank you so much.